Hey guys, so we got a grilling recipe for you today, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make extra crispy grilled chicken wings. We're gonna do them on the Kamado Joe, and we're gonna use a little bit of the Holland seasoning for these. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. Check it out. So to start this recipe, we got our chicken wings. What I did is I've rinsed them, kind of cleaned them off a little bit, and trimmed them up. And then I patted them dry on a towel and just have them on this sheet pan. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, it's about a cup of cornstarch, and that's all that's in there. We're gonna put in there, and then we're gonna mix in about a quarter cup of the Holland Carolina seasoning, and that's going to season our wings. And essentially this is just our dredge that we're going to coat our wings in. We're just going to whisk this up. And then we're going to dredge our wings in them. Well, we're gonna dredge our wings in them. And then put them back on there. And we're gonna do all of the wings. And then while we're doing that, we've got the grill. We're getting it back down to about 400 degrees of indirect heat. And then we should be ready to grill these things up. All right, so now we have all of our chicken in the dredge. I did it in a bowl, but you could easily put all of that in a plastic bag or paper bag and just shake them up, kind of like a little shake and bake chicken situation. But I just dredged them, put them back on this pan with the towel. And now what I'm gonna do is I have the grill going for about 400 degrees, just a little above 400 degrees right now. And we have plate setters in, so it's an indirect heat. If you're doing this on a gas grill, just keep it a little bit lower temperature, or if you have like a higher rack, that would be nice too, so you're not directly on the flames there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all of these guys on there, and then we're going to cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes until you can't really see the cornstarch coating. It's going to start to look more and more like fried chicken. So let's put these on the grill. Okay, so we're gonna close the lid up and we're gonna let these cook. Let's check back later, see how they're looking, and give them a little flip. All right, so I've gone ahead and given these a little bit of a flip. So you can see that there's still some of that cornstarch look. Don't worry about it. That's going to eventually disappear once we give them one more rotation and let them finish cooking. Our grill's still going good at 400 degrees, so let's keep them rolling. All right, guys, we are on our last rotation, and you should see how crispy these things are getting. They are genuinely looking like we've made some fried chicken on the grill. I'm going to do a little close-up so you can see how crispy they're looking. They look so delicious. I'm excited to get these cooled down and toss them in some barbecue sauce and try them out. All right, so we have all of of our wings pulled off the grill, and they are looking and sounding extra crunchy. You can just kind of hear the crunchiness when you pick them up with the tongs. I'm gonna give them a little bit of a shake and seasoning, just because some of that salt cooks off while we're grilling it. So I'm gonna give it a little extra seasoning on the top while they're still hot. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to toss them and coat them in this barbecue sauce. So I just kind of picked our favorite barbecue sauce. You could really toss them in anything, any of your kind of flavored sauces. You know, buffalo sauce would be great on these. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you a little before and after what they look like. They are already looking amazing. I can't wait. So here's our final product. We got these wings, and they are, we'll zoom in on the crunchy exterior. Well, those look good. We're gonna try them out and let you guys know, but I already know that these are gonna taste so good. All right, so that concludes our recipe for today. We're hopefully gonna keep posting these recipes so that the grillers who are at home and are wondering, you know, what should I grill today? What should I try? We can help them out and give you some tips along the way. So keep looking for our posts and our recipes, and follow us on Facebook or Instagram, or go to shopdegroods.com and check out our grill selections.